Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So I'm back with my monthly hauls and favorites video. So of course, since it's already December, so this is for the month of November, and I just want to share with you the things that I purchased and the things that I've been using a lot this past month, this November. So let me start with my favorites first, and I'm sorry kung nakakarinig kayo ulit ng maiingay sa labas kasi mga pamangkin ko nandiyan lang sa tabi-tabi. Anyway, the first favorite thing that I want to share with you is the e.l.f. makeup mist and set, and I really love it because it really makes your makeup look fresh and not really that dewy, pero alam mong hindi flat yung look ng makeup mo. So I really love this e.l.f. makeup mist and set because of that. So yun. So again, this is the e.l.f. makeup mist and set, and this is from the Prim Pad. So this is for only 168 pesos from the Prim Pad, but when you buy it outside, it's for around 250 pesos. So, doon na lang kay the Prim Pad bumili. I'm going to put the link in the info box below. My next favorite thing is the My Room Snow Whitening Source Body Lotion, and I really love this because it's moisturizing, but it's not, it's not greasy on the skin, hindi siya nakakalagkit ng feeling, ganon. So, and another thing that I love about this is that you can instantly see that it will brighten your what do you call this? Ito na naman ako sa mga hand gestures ko. Anyway, you can instantly see that it will brighten your skin. So, this is my bare skin, and then I'm going to apply a little amount of the My Room. So there, and blah 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 blah. Just going to let my skin absorb that, and as you can see, ayun na, nagbe-brighten na yung skin ko. And it may look na parang what do you call this? Parang tinted yung lotion, pero hindi naman. So as you can see, mas, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo sa video, pero in person, mas bright yung dating nitong hand ko na to kaysa dito. So yeah, this is one of my favorites this November, and still my favorite, and I love how it smells because it's really fragrant, very girly, hindi siya nakaka-bother, and it smells, fresh, and yun. I really love how it smells. Anyway, I forgot how much this costs. Anyway, I'm just going to put all the details in the information box below, and if you want to purchase your own My Room body lotion, just visit the Mestiza Hub on Facebook. Again, all the links will be in the info box below. And another favorite is the Glory of New York Hill Cream. Unfortunately, I ran out of the Glory of New York Hill Cream for women. So what I'm using right now, hindi pala ito yung Hill Cream. So since I ran out of the Glory of New York Hill Cream for women already, what I'm using right now is the Glory of New York Hill Cream for men. And okay lang naman daw yon, kasi I consulted first the owners of Glory of New York if it's okay to use the one for men kahit no woman ako. So yun nga, I'm using this because I've been having, those little breakouts, and it's really bugging me. So para mawala sila agad, tsaka para mawala agad yung mga pimples ko na patubo pa lang, or yung mga talagang cystic pimples, eto, nilalagyan ko agad ng Hill Cream, and then I pair it with the Glory of New York Aloe Vera All Skin Gel. So yung Hill Cream kasi greasy siya, oily siya. So, minsan, ang ginagawa ko, lalagay ko muna yung Hill Cream, and then I let my skin absorb it. And then, pagka na-absorb na niya, papatong ko yung Aloe Vera All Skin Gel para mawala yung greasiness niya, yung oiliness niya. Kasi since this is a gel, it will mattify your skin. And also, another good thing about this Aloe Vera All Skin Gel is that it also treats your skin pagka meron kayong pimples, pag meron kayong wounds. These two are the best Glory of New York products to use kasi talagang i-heal nila yung sugat nyo, i-heal nila yung pimple nyo. Promise, di lang ako basta-basta nagpo-promote. Totoo yan. So, yun, if you want to purchase your own Glory of New York products, again, just go to the information box below. Visit Queen Bee on Facebook or Glory of New York Philippines on Facebook, or you can even visit them and follow them on Instagram. It's at Glory of New York _PH. So, I'm sorry kung ikot ako ng ikot kasi feel ko tong chair ko. Anyway, the last favorite thing that I want to share with you is the Avon Ultra Color Lipstick, and this in the shade Crush, and I really love this shade because it's perfect for this season. It's perfect for fall, for this coming holidays, and it's a deep berry color. There you go. I actually have a review of the Avon Ultra Color lipsticks. So if you want to see the swatches and if you want to hear what are my thoughts about those lipsticks, just go to the information box below again, or I'm just going to put the link somewhere here. So yun. So this is what the shade Crush look like. And I actually love it. I'm really falling in love with it. And minsan pinipair ko pa siya sa purple lip liner. So what I've been loving to use as my purple lip liner is the NYX Slim Lip Pencil in the shade Never. And this is what Never looks like. There. Ito yung Crush, then ito yung Never. So, pag pinair ko sila, wala lang. Ang ganda lang ng shade na kinakalabasan. So, yun. So, the Avon Ultra Color Lipsticks is for 379 pesos. Okay, let's now move on to the haul. Kasi, yun yung medyo madami. So, I just wanna start with this. So, this is a product from Sydenham. So, Sydenham is a pharmaceuticals company. So, they sent me their Feel Good Lactium Food Supplement. So, it says here that this will make you feel good, look good, and perform better because apparently, para siyang stress tabs. So, it will help you feel good pagka stressed ka, pag kulang ka sa tulog, yung mga ganon. So, anyway, I'm going to blog about this one. I actually haven't tried it yet. Pero, sige, gagamitin ko na siya because I really don't drink supplements like this or take supplements like this. But, since I think I'm going to need this, then I'll start using this. I actually don't know how much this costs. Anyway, I'm going to update you guys. So yeah, thank you so much Sydenham and to Ms. Zara Villacorta for referring me. So yun. And then the next products that I want to share with you is this package from Maybelline. So I know that most of you already know about this. So this is the this is all about the Maybelline 8-in-1 BB creams, and also this is all about the search for the next Maybelline Top BB. I've already blogged about this one. I think this is so far the best package that I've received kasi wala, very interesting lang yung box, yung package. So, tada! And I love the sound of that. Wala lang. So, yon, when you open it, you will see all the details about the search for the next 8 BB top models. So, 8 yung hahanapin nila, but there will be 2 main winners na magkakaroon ng modeling contract. And then, yon, more info about the Maybelline BB cream. So, there are 3 kinds. So, the BB stick for oily skin, BB cream for normal dry skin, and then the BB white na meron siyang SPF of 50. O, diba? Ang taas. Actually, yung BB cream nila, itong sa gitna, meron na rin siyang SPF of 26. Then, itong may sun protection, SPF of 50. Ano ba yun? Nabubulol ako. And then, meron ding CD about all the information. And then, ito yung dalawang BB cream kasi yung isa, yung may sun protection. Tinry ko siyang gamitin kahapon. And it's actually very sheer, but I like it. 2 layers will do if you want, you know, yung parang natural look lang. So, ayan, 3 sila. So, yun. Thank you so much, Maybelline, for all of this. Okay, let's now move on to the Avon products because ito yung talagang mas madami. Actually, itong Avon products na nakuha ko, kulang pa nga. So ito silang lahat. Tada! So, I just wanna show you first the palette. So, I got 3 palettes. And the first palette is the one that I'm using or I'm wearing right now on my eyes. So, this is the Avon 8-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the blues. So these are all the colors from the blues palette and I actually love it. So this is what I used on my eyes right now. This one. And then the purple shade, this one. And then this lighter shade as my highlighter. And then this one on my inner corners. So, yan. So that is the blues. And then the next palette is the 8-in-1 palette in the greens. So, of course, puro greens, shade of greens. And then, meron ding browns pala. Ayan. I cannot wait to use this. Ngayon ko lang natignan ng malapitan yung colors. Parang na-inlove ako ng bongga. So, yon. This is what you call the greens. And then, the final palette that we got is the palette, the Metallics. And, ito yung shades niya. And, ayan. Love ko din yung shades niya. Ooh, very interesting. I can't wait to, you know, to play with this eyeshadow palette. So, if you want to know all the prices of these Avon products, I've already blogged about them. Whole post about them on my blog, theprojectawesome.net. So, I'm just going to put the link again in the information box below para makita nyo din yung prices and yon. And then, the next Avon product that I got, ako na ba yung paper bag ko? So, the next Avon product, dito ako na loka ng bonggang-bongga kasi we received 6 new lipsticks from Avon. Nakakaloka talaga nung nakita ko. Oh my God, ang dami. Sorry, may nagva-vibrate sa phone ko. These are all frosted because, you know, these are all from their holiday collection. So, syempre, pag holiday, dapat sparkly-sparkly yung mga suot nyo, yung makeup nyo, ganyan. So, this is Sparkling Mauve. Yun. Di ko muna swatch siya kasi I haven't, you know, done a product shoot. And then, this is Sparkling Rich Ruby. I think this is going to be my favorite. Okay. And then, this is the shade Sparkling Peach. So, I think this is the lightest among the bunch. And the next shade is Sparkling Warm Rose. Ay, hindi. I think this is the lightest one. Yan. And then the next shade that I got is Sparkling Blush. So, yeah. Oh, I love the color. Yan. Sparkling Blush. And then the final shade is the shade Sparkling Pink. There you go. Yan. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Anyway, I'm going to post swatches about those lipsticks in my vlog. So, just please stay tuned for that. And then, the final things from Avon that I want to share with you. Actually, meron pa dapat brow powders. Unfortunately, out of stock siya dun sa branch na malapit sa akin. So, they'll just contact me na lang daw pagka meron na. So, anyway, I was really happy when I saw these babies from Avon. So, this is what they call their eyeshadow duet. So, this is one of their new products. So, yan. Eyeshadow duets kasi dual-ended pencil siya. So, this is in the shade Storm. So, the other one is silver or gunmetal and the other one is blue. I actually used the blue one as a base for my eyeshadow today. And then, the next eyeshadow duet that I got is Black Violet kasi black and then violet. So, yon. Very easy. And then, the next eyeshadow duet is called Maze. Maze? How do you pronounce it? It's M-A-I-Z-E. Parang maize. The other shade is brown and then the other one is green. Parang nakakita ko ng ganitong combination sa e.l.f. eyeshadow duo. And then the final one is called the Apricot Mist. So, the other one is parang champagne color and the other one is parang bronzy siya. So, yon. Again, all the swatches will be posted in my blog or kung maisipan kong gumawa ng separate video reviews about those products, then wait nyo lang. And then, I want to share with you this products that I got from Watson. So, if you've been watching my vlogs, then you'll know na I visited SM department store with my nieces last Sunday. So, I visited SM North EDSA at noon na lang ako ulit nag-visit ng mall after how many? Almost 2 months. And then nagulat ako sa dami ng nagbago at dami ng nagdagdag dun sa SM department store. Nagulat talaga ako, ang dami ng makeup brands. Nandun na yung Complete Color Society sa SM department store main mall Kasi dati nakita ko na sa The Block yung Color Society brands. Bagong gawa pa lang ulit yung, bagong renovate yung SM The Block nun, yung Watson sa SM The Block. Ano ba pinagsabi ko? Anyway, yun nga, sa SM Department Store, nandun na yung Complete Color Society brands. What are those brands? Yung Flormar, Essence, Deborah Milano, Miss Lean, and Gosh Cosmetics. Naloka ako, nakita ko sila doon. And then, meron ng The Makeup Factory, meron ng NYX. Diyos ko, naloka ako kasi ang mahal sa mall. And then, meron na ding BU. Basta, kakaiba yung ano niya. Pero, meron na ding LOL Cosmetics or Lots of Love Cosmetics. Tapos, meron ngang nag-request sa akin na try ko daw yung LOL Cosmetics. A lot of people had been suggesting for me to try LOL kasi nga daw mura, tas okay din naman. So, since hindi pa ako masyadong ganun ka, hindi pa masyadong trusted brand for me yung LOL kasi first time kong gamitin. So, isa muna yung binili ko from that brand. So, this is their Brown Sugar Bronzing Powder because I've seen this from Miss Say Artillero's video. So, nag-review siya ng LOL Cosmetics. Tapos nakita ko ginamit niya nga yata yung bronzing powder. Tapos na-amaze ako kasi good color payoff and mukhang okay naman siya. So, this for only 139 pesos and I like it. Although, hindi ko pa siya na-try talaga sa face ko kasi sinwatch ko pa lang siya doon. Pero yon, sana bongga siya. And yon, can't wait to review and use this product for you guys. And then the next one is ito. By request din tong product na to. So, this is the Careline BB Cream Whitening and this is in the shade Natural. And what I love about the BB creams from Careline is that they are available in 3 shades. Although, majority nga maputi, pero at least available siya in 3 shade. Kasi yung sa Everbilena, tig-isa lang bawat variant. So, isa lang sa anti-wrinkle nila, and then isa lang sa whitening BB cream nila. Pero dito sa Careline nila, lahat naman yata whitening. Tapos yun nga, merong 3 shades. So, the shade that I got is natural because this is closest to my original skin color. And this is for only 120 pesos, and of course I'm going to review this. I might even do a demo video of the Careline BB cream para makita nyo kung paano yung parang ginawa ko sa Everbilena BB cream. So, isa lang napansin ko din nung sinwatch ko, nung inamoy ko siya, nung naamoy ko siya pala, parang kaamoy niya lang yung sa Everbilena. So, pwedeng same formula lang sila, same formulation, iba lang yung shade. So, anyway, we'll see. Haven't really used it. Ayan nga, sealed pa siya. Again, this is for 120 pesos. And then, the final one that I got is the Maybelline Pure Concealer Mineral. Actually, nung pumunta ako sa SM, ito agad yung pinuntahan ko kasi 30% off yung Maybelline that time. So, this is around 450 or basta ganun, 400 plus siya, pero 300 pesos ko na lang siya nabili kasi ngayon nga, discounted siya, 30% off. So, I'm just not sure kung meron pa ring sale sa Maybelline, so you should really check it out. And I've tried this already and I actually love its coverage. I love its finish. Basta, this is one of my new favorite, this is one of my new favorite concealers already because it really has a good, good quality. And, yun. So, hindi naman to new product ng Maybelline, but it was just last Sunday when I really decided to buy it because I think I'm running out of my concealer. Aside from my Glory of New York concealers, pero other than my Gen Y concealers, parang wala na akong ibang magamit ng concealer. So, I want to try other brands of concealers. So, para mahanap ko lang kung ano talaga yung magiging favorite ko pa. So, anyway, that's it for this video, I think. And I just want to share with you that I also bought a perfume from Pen Shop. Yun yung favorite ko kasi, yung fruity watermelon mist. Basta something like that. Ever since high school, yun yung favorite scent ko. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, like always, if you have questions regarding the products that I've just shown you, just comment below your question. Or simply send me a message on my Facebook page, Makeup by Bing Castro. Nagre-reply naman po ako, pero minsan natatagalan lang. Sorry, medyo busy kasi. Or you can even email me at ibsc1989@yahoo.com. And I hope that you will continue to follow my vlogs and follow my blog, theprojectawesome.net. So, madalas na po akong nagba-vlog ngayon. So, I know that most of you already know that because, I've been posting a lot of vlogs late. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at bingcastro89. And ano pa ba? So, yun. Again, please wait for my reviews about some of the products that I've just shared with you today. And again, that's it for this video. Thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission. Bye!